Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix your request cannot be processed on Binance. Firstly, visit the official Binance website and log into your account. If you previously added passkeys, you may be asked to verify with one. Just click cancel, then select my passkeys are not available. If you are not asked for a passkey, skip this step. Now type your Binance password and click next. If you forgot a password, click forgot password to reset it. If you cannot reset it because of a missing 2FA, contact Binance customer support. You'll see the security verification requirements page. Select the method you cannot access, and on the pop-up, click security verification unavailable to begin the reset. On the reset page, check the box next to 2FA devices you've lost access to and click confirm reset. A pop-up will appear, read it carefully, then click confirm. Just a reminder, after confirmation, withdrawals and payments will be disabled for 48 hours. Binance will prompt you to verify using other available 2FA methods. Just complete all required checks. And you may be asked to provide a new phone number or email address. Just click Get Code or enter the code to received, then click Submit. Once you see the confirmation screen, your reset request has been submitted, and wait for Binance's system to process the request. If the reset is successful, you can log in again using your newly set 2FA devices. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.